I put my feelings on safety, so I don't go shooting where your heart be. Cause you take the bullet trying to save me, then I'm left to deal with making you bleed. And that's a whole lot of love, ain't trying to waste it. Like we be running them out and never make it. That's just too bitter for words, don't wanna taste it. I think that I'm done tripping, I'm tripping, I've been sipping, that's how I get.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. INSTA here, of course. Today I'm here to show you all how I achieve these very cute and bouncy curls. I actually wore these curls when I did like a hair review for this hair a couple of weeks ago, and everybody just loved the curls more than I expected, and some wanted me to do a video on it, so I said, why not? So I am here. It's not a long video at all, it's straight to the point because it may look complicated, but this look is like really easy to achieve. So yeah, I'm not gonna do too much rambling. I'm just gonna get straight into the video, and I hope you all love it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So while the curling iron is warming up, I just take my brush and I go through my hair, and I just try to get the kinks out of it. Even though I'm gonna brush through it some more once the curling wand is ready, I still like to go through my hair and like get some kinks out. The curling wand that I'm going to use is my Conair curling wand. It goes from 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, all the way up to 25. Like, that's the dial, and it goes all the way up to 25. And of course I have it on 25 because I'm lazy and I don't be wanting to take forever doing my hair. So yeah, I like to come at the top and go all the way down like that, and before I reach the bottom, I start rolling backwards. And I make sure these little end pieces is like tucked and rolling in there. I don't want the curl to be curly and then the end pieces is straight. That's dumb. So I just roll it up, let it sit there. This curling iron gets super hot, like super duper hot. And just to see if the hair ain't got enough heat up in it, I like to grab it a little bit. And if it's not like that hot to the touch, I'll leave it on there a little longer. When it's time to release the curl, I like to unravel it just a little bit, and I like to like start going down, but grab the handle right here and just like start pressing, just press as I go down, and then it gives it that little thing right there. And then I twist it up some more, just so it can really be bouncy, like this, like that. It's so cute.
Music.
So I know y'all probably like, girl, we don't want to sit here and see you curl this whole head. I literally do this all around my head, like literally. So I'm gonna do this side, and then I'll be like literally right back, right back. Okay, so I have achieved the whole half of my head, but I was going to move. I was going to do my top half and then move on to this side like I told you all, but before I do that, I wanted to show you how I curl the top portion, because it is a different way that I do it. Not that different, but just different. When I get to like the top portion of my hair, is curl it backwards, if that makes sense, because I like the curls to do this to my face instead of do this to my face. So I curl backwards, and you gotta remember, because you can either go this way or this way. Go under, you know what I'm saying? Because it's a complete difference when it comes to like the direction of curls. Like it's a difference. And then I do the same thing that I've been doing, and it falls like that.
Music.
And please be careful, because me being lazy and irresponsible, I have very much so a lot actually got lazy and wasn't paying attention, put the curling iron on my head and burnt my forehead. I was so upset. When I was younger, I used to do this all the time. Like before I had a curling wand, I only had a curling iron, and I used to do this all the time, and I used to love it. But when I got my first curling wand, I guess I neglected this. So I guess I neglected the curling iron, but I'm starting to get back to it, because I'm starting to see why I love using the curling iron. And then when I did it in my hair video a couple of weeks ago, everybody loved it. Like they wanted to know how I got these like little curly Sue curls, and I was just like, really, I like it. So of course, if my peeps like it, I will do it for them, for y'all, and show you how I do it. And I know now y'all probably like, girl, that's stupid easy. Like, well, some people probably do so I'm doing it for them. And that's how I do that. And I let this curl, I usually let this curl sit up here so it can cool off, and when I go back and it's really bomb. I let it drop, it drops like perfectly to my face. So I move to this side, and I do literally the same thing to this side. Comb it out, and you get to curling. Okay, so I am finally done. I'm done. I didn't want to record it like the whole way through, because I felt like it was getting tedious in a way, because I was doing the same thing over and over on this side and this side. So yeah, I went on and did the whole head and come back with the result. This is a really quick and easy way to curl your hair. I actually find it quicker than wand curling. Maybe I'm wrong, but I just feel like it's quicker. So yeah, this is how it looks. Really cute and voluptuous and just soft, like really soft. If you want to go for a real soft look, this is the look for you. I also turn around and let you all see it from the back. This is the side.
Music.
And then I'll show you all the back. And then this is the back. It still has like a cool little length on it. I don't want to be too long-winded with this because it's really a straight and to the point way to curl your hair. So I didn't want to seem rude, make it seem like, oh, everybody know how to do it. So when some people ask me to do a video of me curling my hair like this, why not? So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like what you have seen here today. I will be back with more hair reviews, makeup tutorials, and just all that